We're going to use the Drawing Compare tool to help us see the differences between the drawing we have and an updated drawing that just landed in our inbox from an outside vendor. The Drawing Compare tool is located on the Collaborate tab. I switch to the Collaborate tab on the ribbon and select the Drawing Compare tool. I browse for the drawing I just received from my vendor. The differences are shown in red and green. If you select the Settings tool on the far left of the Drawing Compare toolbar, you see a legend on how to interpret what you see. The red elements belong to the selected drawing, not the current drawing, and the green elements are in the current drawing only. Drawing Compare also placed a yellow rev cloud around the area that was changed to help me focus my attention. To exit the Drawing Compare mode, select the green check on the toolbar. Drawing Compare is a fast and easy method to figure out the differences between drawings.